Hello and welcome. Today I am here to talk about return on investment, often referred to as ROI, as it pertains to instructional design. Instructional design is a crucial aspect of any business or organization, as it helps to ensure that employees receive the necessary training to perform their job duties effectively. However, many organizations often question the value of investing in instructional design and the return they will receive on that investment, according to David Dovey, 1993. This is where the concept of ROI, or return on investment, comes into play. Now, before we talk about how ROI relates to instructional design, it is first beneficial to establish a working definition of return on investment. Return on investment is a measure of the profitability of an investment, expressed as a ratio of the amount of return to the amount invested. In the context of instructional design, ROI is calculated by dividing the benefits that an organization receives from an instructional program by the cost of the program, according to Phillips, 2011. What this means is if a program costs $1,000 and the benefits from the program end up gaining the company $2,000, the return on investment is $1,000. Now, ROI in terms of for a business for instructional design may not always be measured in dollars and cents, but can be measured in efficiency or other non quantified amounts. So, what are the benefits that organizations receive from instructional design programs? These benefits can include increased productivity and efficiency, reduced errors and rework, improved customer satisfaction, and increased employee engagement and retention, according to Wallace et al. In 2002. When it comes to the cost of instructional design programs, include expenses such as the cost of materials, instructional designers, and any technology used for delivery. Again, according to David Dovey, 1993. It is important to note that the cost of not investing in instructional design, such as lost productivity and decreased employee morale, should also be taken into consideration when calculating the return on investment for various processes. To calculate ROI, it is essential to determine a baseline of performance before the implementation of an instructional program. This allows organizations to measure the program's impact and select the ROI. Organizations need to conduct some kind of measure to determine what quantifiable aspects they're going to measure, what will be impacted by the instructional design, and what the current state of those variables are before the instructional design program is implemented in whatever process that they're using it for. By calculating the ROI of an instructional design program, organizations can determine the value they receive from their investment in training and development. This information can be used to make informed decisions and ensure that the investment in instructional design is worthwhile. Furthermore, tracking the ROI of an instructional design program over time can provide valuable insights into the effectiveness of the program and to help organizations make improvements where necessary. One example of an instructional design program that could demonstrate a high return on investment is the customer service training program. A well-designed customer service training program can result in improved customer satisfaction, reduced customer complaints, and increased sales, which can have a significant impact on the bottom line. An important part of this process is being able to understand and do the analytics necessary to measure what is being improved and how much is being gained in this process, whatever is being improved by the instructional design program for a business or organization. In conclusion, return on investment is a very valuable concept in instructional design, as it helps organizations understand the value they receive from their investment in training and in development. By measuring the costs and benefits of instructional design programs, organizations can make informed decisions and ensure that they are getting the most out of their investment. When businesses, organizations, or schools decide to fund an instructional design program, they want to make sure that their money is being spent well and that it's going to return a worthwhile investment. Businesses are about having a positive bottom line, and analyzing the return on investment for instructional design programs can ensure that that bottom line is maintained and that it's a worthwhile investment. Thank you for your time, and I hope you found this presentation informative.